If this is the year you're getting married, looking for a new job, or just wanting to sport a better smile, then our next guest has the perfect solution. YCL's Aubrey Aquino spoke with Dr. Andrea Joy Smith on how mini dental implants work. Let's take a look.
Well, if you want to flash a more confident smile but fear sitting in the dental office and the price and pain that may come with it, our next guest has a message for you. Dr. Andrea Joy Smith is all about helping her patients feel comfortable and confident with her dental treatments, including mini dental implants. Hello again, Dr. Smith.
Hello, Aubrey. Good morning to you. How are you today?
I'm doing well, and I know at your office you treat all kinds of dental issues and you have a lot of different solutions, and one of them that you use, it's pretty popular, is your mini dental implants. Can you talk about how they're used and how common they are?
Absolutely. Yes, I am a general dentist and I do a variety of treatments, but the mini dental implants has been the treatment that has really transformed most of my patients' lives. So the beauty of the mini dental implant is that it is a one-piece implant, and often on the day of service, on the day of treatment, we can often stabilize your denture by placing 4 simple mini dental implants into place, and your existing denture can be secured at that visit. But we can also do single tooth replacement with that treatment, and patients leave with the confidence that they haven't experienced in quite some time.
Oh yeah, I mean, having a great set of teeth can really make a big difference. We actually have video of a gentleman that received an implant procedure at your office. Let's take a look.
It's amazing. Okay. I'm so happy to be able to chew, to smile with confidence, and above all things, once again, chew peanuts and gum without having to worry about anything falling apart.
And well, he seems like he's pretty happy with his implant, and it looked so easy. Can you talk about how long you've been doing this and really how easy it is?
Absolutely. I've been practicing dentistry for nearly 30 years, but I've been doing mini dental implants for about 15 of those years. And one of the things I love is to restore confidence, restore function, just like the gentleman showed. For years, he was not able to chew on one side. So in addition to replacing a full set of teeth or a single tooth, we can also do the equivalent of what we do as a bridge, a row of teeth or multiple teeth in line, and that can also restore their bite and their confidence and have them eating foods that they haven't been able to enjoy in years.
So different options depending on the needs. What about the cost? It's something that probably keeps a lot of people away from getting these dental treatments. Can you talk about the costs?
Yes, dental implantology can be very, very expensive. In fact, when dental implants came out, the cost for one tooth replacement was almost cost prohibitive for most people. So what I can say is that the mini dental implant, or the one-piece implant that I use, is about half the cost. And the main reason for that is that there's few surgical visits, there's fewer parts, and just a simpler treatment altogether. So it's about half the cost of a regular conventional implant.
And that's good to know. People obviously want to cut down on the visits. What else can you talk about that sets your office apart in terms of offering implant dentistry services?
Yeah, the main thing that sets my office apart is the fact that I deliver a one-piece implant. And with that comes the ability to put a tooth on the same day, stabilize your dentures the same day, rather than having to bury the implant under the tissue for some time to wait for biointegration into the bone. Well, our implant goes in with a certain degree of torque, which all implants are placed with a degree of tightness, or torque as we call it. But the beauty of the mini dental implant is that it goes in tight enough to be loaded or have a crown or restoration placed on it the same day. And there are very few dentists offering this option, and that is the main thing that I believe sets my office apart.
Well, that's definitely good to know. And we're going to take a look at some before and after photos of some of the smiles you've made over. Can you talk a little bit about what we're looking at?
Yes, this patient, actually his sister is a dentist, and she actually referred him to me for full mouth reconstruction. And what he received was a full treatment case where we extracted all of his teeth. We then placed all of the necessary implants, and we placed, on the same day of treatment, we placed temporaries that look almost as good as his finals that are going to be shown there on the screen. But we are able to do that in one day. The same with this patient. This patient was really not feeling very well at first. He had a major surgery, and after he successfully came through that surgery, he wanted a new lease on life. He ordered his Mercedes from Germany, and the next thing he wanted to do is to get his teeth fixed. And so he came in, and we were able to give him a beautiful smile to match that new lease on life that he had.
Oh yeah, that full set of teeth, those big wide grins look great. Thank you so much for talking to us about your mini dental implant services. If you want to connect with Dr. Smith about any of your dental needs, you can visit smileagainnow.com.